Car Story research indicates this vehicle as rare to see this model for sale in your area. Features also include steering wheel controls, adaptive cruise control, rear heated seats, blind spot monitor. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Expedition. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, power retractable running boards, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, rear AC, adaptive cruise control, HD radio, satellite radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.